Okay, these are a couple of my new friends, my new Nepali friends. This is Kabendra on your left, I guess. Yeah, I raised the hand there. I'm kind of backwards on that. And then Amit.
Hi.
And these guys joined me for church this morning, their first time. Amit, let's start with you. Tell me about your church experience.
Actually, it was my first attendance in church, and I really liked it. And while I was attending the church meeting, I just felt that I was just my soul just got detached from the outside world. The inner environment was something cool, peaceful, and I just felt a kind of satisfaction deep inside my heart, and I felt as if I was just approaching God. And those music and other stuffs, I just loved it. It was something holy and memorable. I'll always remember it. Yeah.
Praise God, praise God.
Yeah.
And Kabendra, what about you?
Hi, this was also my first visit of church, and it was pretty memorable for me. The way the people pray there, the way they use instruments for praying, I love those stuffs. The people just stand up and pray. They shake their hands. They shake their hands with each other. It was great. It's memorable for me.
Praise God.
Yeah.
And I know we enjoyed it as well, having you guys.
And we are thankful to Mr. Dwayne.
D. Yeah.
Thank you.